Hi to everybody, you're welcome to this video. In this video that is a little different with other of my videos, I will go to the original of content of title of this video that you came for it to hear to seeing this video, which is nothing except then how to taking care from our future's electricity solar panels, which is this content of this video will be one of our fundamental things in the future. So here we go. How to taking care from our future's electricity solar panels. One thing is the know and find your suitable and need solar panel. Two thing is the test your panel before you buy. Compare it with that solar panel that is suitable for you or you need it. Third thing is the physically care. Fourth thing is the circuit vision based care. Fifth thing is the thermal vision based care. Sixth thing is the output details vision based care. I will also explain you these things that I said to you, that I used for how a month I could my energies to I can collect you enough informations about this. So explain of the honest thing that I say to you. Honest thing is was purpose is knowing and finding solar panels related to future of your needs and interests. Origin of this purpose of this is the know and find the relevant solar panel for your future in every aspect. Dimensional characteristics, degree of flexibility, and especially characteristics of output power and efficiency are some. Dimensional characteristics, degree of flexibility, and especially characteristics of output power and efficiency are some of this. Next title was test your panel before you buy. Compare it with the solar panel that you vote to buy or you need or related to your requests or etc. anything like this. Purpose is knowing and analyzing the facts, not the claims of sellers' opinions about your panel before you buy. For enough amount before buying, try all your needs and interests on the reality of the solar panel you are going to buy. You are going to buy it. Okay. Next title was we should physically care. You should care physically from our solar panels. Purpose is body care. Caring body care vision. Care in aspect of physically. All panels, regardless of the technology and chemical level used in their construction, are fragile and corroded. So be careful with the body of your panels. Also, clean the snow, dust, and etc. as often as you see fit, and otherwise you will witness the damage to your solar panels due to the type of body. Next title in care of our future solar panels electricity solar panels was circuit vision care. Never make mistakes in your panels. Electrical isolation diodes, driving too much current, entering large sizes from the high electrical specifications, charging gigantic batteries in terms of specifications, and not exposed to weather and lightning. Next title in care of our future's electricity solar panels was thermal based care. All of solar panels are made in any case. All the elements used have a range of performance and ability and temperature tolerance. So avoid exposing your solar panels to excessive heat. Remember, nothing works and falls apart outside of this function, at last naturally, oh my dears. Next thing in title of taking care of our solar panels in future was that I say to you in a list, and from that time until now, I am explaining you all of that tips, all of that titles that I say to you one by one. The last thing is the care based on details of power output. Every few years, please measure the voltage, current, and power output specifications of your panels and compare them to their natural efficiency. Especially compare them to that sellers of your solar panels' opinions and claims. This was it, all my dears. I hope this will be useful for you. I hope you could know fully these titles and at all informations that I say to you. At last, with gratitude, thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Until next video, bye.